I hope traders and investors alike were green yesterday. And please remember, discipline is the key to your success. So, in this video, I want to talk about how we traded the SPY and the SPX, basically how we traded the markets, how we used our tools, how we used our time frames, and what we were expecting during the trading day, especially at market open. So we had consumer sentiment come out yesterday. The market pulled back on that. It's an inflationary number. It's actually good for the economy, but it is an inflationary number. So the market pulled back. So at market open, we know some of the tools that we use, option flow, market breadth had pulled back big time and had made a large move to the downside. So we knew there was a lot of selling pressure, which we could see that rate on our charts. During pre-market, we knew there was a lot of selling pressure. I mean, you could see it in the chart. So seeing breadth move pull back was not really that big of a deal. So we formed this huge flag here. Now we went to very heavy call flow. So that was one indicator that the market was going up. Now we don't trade on feelings. We don't follow anybody. We trade. So I basically, just to put this simply, I believe in helping people understand what's going on their chart. Not one single strategy. Just if you understand what's happening on your chart and what to expect, and you know how to trade it to make money. So we put in this large flag here. We come back clean back to the 50 at market open. Now we had major call flow coming in at 9:48 a.m. in the morning. Our flow changed, or our breath changed. We started to reverse and started to turn bullish, started to try to push back up. So not only did we have call flow coming in, we had this big flag. We had call flow coming in. We had breaths change direction, starting to push up. And we knew, things that we talk about in the Discord is when to expect price acceleration. And we had a great setup here. It was wild candles, really wild, very choppy. But you can see right here, our MACD started to cross. This candle pushed up. It's 9:47, 9:48. Our breath indicators started to change, started to turn bullish, letting us know there's buying pressure coming in. So if you miss this candle right here, what's the best thing to do? You wait for the flag, wait for it to come back to the 9 and 200 right there. I actually got a big piece of this candle, and I took profits on it. That was a huge trade, a huge scalp for me. But you could have obviously stayed into it, pushing right up. And if you didn't want to take it going right into the 394 level, then you could have waited for the flag over top of 394, and you could have got in there. Of course, you could have got in here and held. But if you're sitting in trade, you're sitting in pain. You should enjoy trading. So let's look at. So we had a 1 minute MACD cross in here. So our time frames were in line, stuff that we talk about every day. We had MACD crossing here. Oh, sorry, I'm behind. We had our MACD crossing on our 5, already crossed, coming in, pinching at market open. On our 15, we had 3 MACDs in line. On our 30, 4 MACDs in line. On our 1 hour, 5 MACDs in line. So, all the stuff that we talk about every day, we seen yesterday at market open. So, uh, nice push, great opportunities. If you are in this group and you're not spending time in the trading room, I get it. You may have to work. I mean, we got members who only come in for an hour a day and are able to pick up a ton of information. A lot of times they're able to take trades. Sometimes if I'm sharing my screen at the time, they're able to take trades off of my screen. So we're in here talking details of price action every single day. And there's nobody that's sharing the details and when to expect price acceleration, how to catch these big moves. Even with the way we trade, we're not looking. So I'm not looking to sit into a stock for a week to get 10%, 5%, or whatever. I'm looking to sit into a stock for a few minutes and get 20, 30, 40% if possible, or more, depending on the size of the move. But what we do here is how and when to expect price acceleration. I really believe if you understand what's going on your chart, then you understand how to make money with it. So you can see right here, we had this pre-market cup. So at this push up here, it's even better on the 15. But at this push up that we had, we were expecting, we're putting in a cup. So we're expecting a cup does not need a handle to push. But if you understand what's going on your chart, then you knew most likely is to get the profits out here, wait for the handle to form. Got another breakout right there. Just an awesome day, a great money day. All our tools lined up, at market open and just provided a lot of information. So I hope this is helpful. Everyone have a great day, and I'll see you in the trading room.